Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, I'm diving into a makeup case that's designed for both function and style. The FAHKNS aluminum trolley makeup train case with LED lights. This is a rolling vanity suitcase that's packed with features aimed at both beauty enthusiasts and professional makeup artists alike. It promises portability, storage, and functionality all in one sleek design. So let's see if it lives up to the hype. The FAHKNS aluminum trolley makeup train case is crafted with a sturdy aluminum alloy flame-retardant plate shell and PVC interior, which immediately speaks to its durability and lightweight construction. The design itself has a modern touch, with a sleek and stylish look that's not only visually appealing, but also built for long-lasting use. It's clear that durability is a focus here, which is something any professional makeup artist or beauty lover will appreciate. One of the standout features is the adjustable height. With 6 different height options, thanks to a simple button press on the legs, you can customize it for comfort, whether you're working at a counter or need it to stand at a higher level for clients. The 4 legs are removable, saving space when you need to pack it up for a gig or travel. If you're always on the go, this feature is particularly practical. Another great feature is the inclusion of a power socket with cord, a universal socket, and even a mobile socket, all equipped with a dust cover for easy access to hair tools, dryers, and other electrical equipment. It's a handy setup that ensures you can keep everything running without the hassle of searching for outlets. There's also a pull-out brush holder and hairdressing tool holder, giving you a comprehensive makeup station on the move. Now, let's talk about the mirror. The FAHKNS case includes a large, unbreakable, tempered glass mirror with 8 LED lights. The lights are adjustable, offering 3 color temperatures and a customizable brightness, making it super easy to get the perfect lighting for any task. It's a game changer, especially when you're working in less than ideal lighting environments. And the fact that LED lights are included means you're saving on energy and avoiding the heat generated by traditional bulbs. When it comes to mobility, the case features removable swivel wheels that rotate 360 degrees. The design is silent, so you won't be disturbing anyone as you roll this case from place to place. You can install or remove the wheels with ease, which is a convenient feature for when you want a more compact setup or need to transport the case from one location to another. So, how does it hold up in real-world use? Honestly, it's impressive. I've used this case for a few makeup sessions and travel gigs, and the overall experience has been seamless. The adjustable height is great for different workspaces, and I love the accessibility of the power outlets. Having everything in one place, from my brushes to my hair tools, made things so much easier when I was in a rush. On the flip side, there are a couple of minor downsides. The aluminum exterior, while durable, does show fingerprints and smudges easily, so it does require a little more upkeep to maintain its polished look. Also, while the wheels are smooth, they might not be as robust on rougher terrains. So if you plan on using it in outdoor settings frequently, it could be a bit of a hassle. When it comes to value for money, this makeup case is definitely an investment, but it provides excellent value. The features, particularly the LED lighting, adjustable height, and built-in outlets, make it stand out in comparison to other makeup train cases in the market. If you're a professional makeup artist or someone who frequently travels for beauty gigs, the versatility and functionality make the price tag well worth it. For those of you who may be looking for alternatives, there are other rolling makeup cases with similar features, but none that combine the ease of use, portability, and advanced features like this one. While you might find some cheaper options, they typically lack some of the more advanced aspects, like the adjustable lighting or customizable height, making this one a strong contender for the serious beauty professional. If you're in the market for a rolling makeup case, the FAHKNS aluminum trolley makeup train case is definitely worth considering. With its robust build, adjustable height, and functional design, it's a reliable choice for beauty professionals on the go. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, Stay beautiful, inside and out.